Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about solving systems of three equations with substitution.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here. Negative 2y plus 5z equals a negative 3. Y equals negative 5x minus 4z minus 5. X equals 4z plus 4. And we want to solve the system by substitution. First thing I'm looking at here is my second and last equation here. I'm going to plug this x value being 4z plus 4, and for this one, and I have y in terms of z now. So let's do that. We take the second equation, y equals a negative 5, and instead of x, I'm putting this, 4z plus 4m. Then we have minus 4z minus 5. Then from there, we're going to simplify this, combine like terms, and y equals, we'll distribute the negative 5. Negative 5 times 4z is a negative 20z. And negative 5 times 4 is a negative 20. We minus the 4z here and minus the 5. We now want to combine our like terms. Negative 20z minus 4z is a negative 24z. Negative 20 minus 5 is a negative 25. So now we have y in terms of z, but where can we go from here? Our first equation has y's and z's in it. That's it. There are only two variables. So I'm going to take this equation for y and plug it in here. And that will get us an equation with only z's. So we take a negative 2, and instead of y, we put in this whole negative 24, z minus 25, and then we have plus 5z equals a negative 3. Then what we want to do is simplify and solve for z. Negative 2 times negative 24z is a 48z, and negative 2 times the negative 25 is a positive 50. We have a 5z here, and a negative 3. We now want to combine our like terms. 48z, or let's subtract the 50 actually to both sides here, and negative 3 minus 50 is a negative 53. 48z plus the 5z is a 53z. Look how that works out. Now we can divide both sides by 53, and z is by itself, and negative 53 divided by 53 is just a negative 1. That's nice. So then from there, I'm going to take that negative 1, let's put it in for this z, and we can get y by itself. So y equals a negative 24, put a negative 1 in for z, minus 25. Well, y equals negative 24 times negative 1 is a positive 24, minus 25, and y equals 24 minus 25, again, is a negative 1. Two negative 1s here. So now we have to find x. Well, luckily we have x already in terms of z. So we have x equals 4 times z, which is a negative 1, and plus a 4 here. And now, pretty easy to solve. 4 times negative 1 is a negative 4, plus 4. Negative 4 times 4, or plus 4 is a 0. Not times, plus is 0. So we have our three answers. We can write as a coordinate point, 0, negative 1, negative 1. And that's our final answer. X is 0, y is negative 1, and z is negative 1. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.